going down. It's going down. Let's get it. Woo! Oh yes. What does this mean? Yes, it's finally going down, guys. The wrap is coming to the R8. I'm so pumped. I'm so excited. Been a long time coming, so we're getting it going. The wrap and the rims should be done, hopefully at the same time. I'm banking on the rims being here as soon as the wrap is done, but guys, it's going down. Protective Film Solutions are gonna hook your boy up. I saw the rendering, I have it. It's crazy, that's all I'm gonna tell you. It's crazy, it's gonna change the game. I can't wait for you guys to see it. So let's just get started, let's go. All right guys, that's enough talking. It's time to say bye-bye. Yes, bye-bye to the Batmobile, headed back home. All right guys, we are back home at the crib. And yes, the R8 is dropped off at PFS. Gonna get that livery done. Woo, I am stoked, I'm pumped. I'm excited for the livery that's coming, guys. What I wanna do is I want to do a kind of a final send-off, a final farewell to the stock look, the stock color of my R8. I love that color, it's been amazing. It is a rare color for those of you who don't know. And I've really enjoyed it. A lot of you guys enjoyed it too. So I want to give a quick shout out to my boy Will. His link is in the description below if you guys want anything from him, but he did me some nice, clean drone shots of the R8. Please hit that subscribe button on your right-hand side of your screen because it's gonna be epic. Without further ado, let's get a final farewell to the original Batmobile 2.0. Let's get it.